Hey there, friends, it's Sarah Joy. This week marks a year since we bought our first home, and many of you have been along for that whole journey of us buying the home and then changing it little by little across the past year. So this video is really going to serve as a memento of all of the projects that we've taken on in the past year. So we're starting out with just a review of where we've been and what each room was looking like before we got to it. And then we're going to do a little montage. That's going to be fun for you guys to see all of the different projects that we've taken on and really the transformations that have come about because of it. We totally love our home. It has been such a blessing to us, and we've just loved making every single part something special. And people always ask, are you done with your house now? And I really don't think that we'll ever be done, because when you love something and when you, care about something, you always want to keep adding to it. You always want to keep working on it and adding some more love to it. And so we never run out of ideas for different things that we want to change or tweak or put together. But enjoy this video today of where we have been in the past year. Let's get into it. As if you couldn't tell, this has been just such a project for the last 12 months of our lives, but we wouldn't have it any other way. We've really enjoyed all of the love that we put into our house and just all of the ideas that we had just in the very beginning that we got to bring to life over these past few months. And it's been a lot of fun, and we've also loved bringing you along for the journey. If you didn't know this already, my entire YouTube channel is a week by week kind of history of all of these different projects that we've taken on. So if one sparks an interest to you, just scroll back in the videos and you'll find it. Whether it is, a breakdown of how we did a medicine cabinet redo, or the dining room set, or the kitchen renovation, or all of the cabinetry painting that we did. All of it is chronologically filed away on YouTube, so you can enjoy all of those videos. And again, like I said, there is still more to come because we have a lot of projects that we still have up our sleeves and things that we are wanting to do. But thanks so much for watching today and for following along on this journey, because it's been so much fun for us. And if you aren't already a part of my little YouTube family here, then go ahead and click the subscribe button, and I post new videos every single Tuesday, so they will come straight your way if you're subscribed. And other than that, guys, I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll be back next Tuesday with a brand new video. See you then.